Okay, students, welcome back. Today we are going to cover the concept of day and night. How on our earth we experience day and night. So, for example, we go to school during daytime, not during nighttime. So, and then when do we sleep? Is it during daytime or is it during nighttime? Nighttime, exactly. So now we have this question in front of us is we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west, but we have always read in science that the sun is stationary, that it does not move. But when we look at the sky, the sun does appear to move from the east to the west. So how does this phenomenon happen? Why do we feel that the sun is moving from the east to the west? So let's try to explain with a little demonstration. As you can see, we have this globe, and we have this globe which is our planet Earth, and there's the axis on which it rotates, right? This is an imaginary axis that goes through our earth. It's not a real rod, so you don't have a real rod poking out of the earth on two parts, right? You have basically an imaginary axis on which the globe, that is our planet earth, is revolving. And so let's do a small demonstration of how we experience day and how we experience night. So let's turn on the lights.
Turn off.
Yes, we did turn on the lights. And as you can see, we have the sun on North America. And the demonstration for our sun is a flashlight through an iPhone. And it's stationary. It's not moving at all. Now our earth, on the other hand, is going to rotate. So as you can see, the sun is now shining over North America. But on the other side of the globe, which is India, there is no sun. So it's nighttime there. Whereas here in North America, it's daytime. So when you call your friend in India, he or she tells you that it is nighttime. But you in North America are here experiencing daytime. Exactly. So you go to school versus your friend in India is sleeping. Okay. So this is how the different time zones, right? So you are experiencing day and the sun is shining on you on your home country America while it's nighttime in India. Now let's demonstrate how we experience day and night and how the sun appears to travel from America to India. That's actually, the sun is stationary. As you can see, we are not moving this. The sun is stationary, right? The flashlight is right there. And now we move, or rather rotate the earth as it rotates, right? So the earth is rotating, and now as you can see, the sun is traveling through the North Pacific Ocean. It travels over the North Pacific Ocean, through Japan, through China, through India, and goes over the Middle East, goes over Africa, goes over the North Atlantic Ocean, and it reaches again the shores of America. So what's happening here is, as the earth is rotating, as you can see, the sun appears to be moving, right? So what happens is the sun appears to be moving from the east, Japan, China, and it moves westwards towards India, Middle East, Africa, right? And all towards America. So when in America, we are looking at the east, we see the sun coming from the east side here. And then it travels to the west, right? So let me show even that within America, we have different time zones. And why do we have those? So as you see, when the earth starts from here and it rotates to here, from the east to the west, that rotation takes some time. So when we are experiencing 9 o'clock in the morning here, right in the New York side of North America, on the west coast in California, they are experiencing early mornings. So there's a huge difference in time zones between New York and California. So this is how we experience the different time zones as well.